Hi, I'm Rachel, and thanks for watching PhealFIT. Welcome to the first episode of Top 5 in 5, where I'll be reviewing 5 key elements related to health and fitness topics in 5 minutes. Today I'll be reviewing 5 important nutrients that help improve your mental health. Before we start, please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming videos with this kind of content. Number 1 is chocolate. Not the milk chocolate variety, unfortunately, but dark chocolate, 70% cocoa and up. Eating chocolate helps to boost your mood by releasing serotonin and other endorphins in the brain, which are your happy hormones. The extra bonus with dark chocolate is that because it doesn't have as much sugar, you won't crave it as much and therefore you won't eat as much. Number 2 is vitamin C. Foods like oranges, kiwis, limes, and lemons are high in vitamin C and have been shown to boost mood. Adding some fresh lemon or lime juice into your water leads us into the next important element. Number 3, water. Our bodies are comprised of about 75% water, so is it any surprise that if we're dehydrated, our body functions will not be working at their optimum level? By eating more fruits and vegetables, which are made up mostly of water, and by trying to stay away from things like colas and coffees, which are caffeinated beverages and make us lose water, we can maintain optimum levels of water in our bodies. This will improve our energy levels as well as the functions of our brain. Number 4, omega-3 fats. Sometimes people get a little worried when they hear the word fat. They think that there are only bad fats that cause you to gain weight and get fat. But omega-3 fats are the healthy kind of fat. Studies have shown that by incorporating omega-3 fats in your diet, you can lower anxiety, stress, and depression. So next time you're in the grocery store, look for things like wild salmon and wild tuna, easy ways to improve your omega-3 intake. Last but not least, green vegetables. When the body is stressed, inflammation levels rise, and green vegetables help to alleviate stress by lowering inflammation levels in the body. This helps the brain and all other bodily organs to function better. Broccoli, dark green lettuce leaf varieties, spinach, asparagus, all these are examples of green vegetables that will help maintain mental health. So there you have it, the top 5 in 5. There are many other foods that help boost mental health besides the ones that I've just told you. For more information, check out our resource list in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and hope you continue to feel fit.